In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the best Apex Legends codes in 2026. You can get tons of free Apex coins, you can get free packs, and unlock all heirlooms as well for completely free. These Apex codes are awesome, working on all platforms, so it doesn't matter which you play on, PC, Xbox, PlayStation, whatever. These Apex Legends redeem codes can be used for tons of free coins, packs, and more. Before I show you these codes, make sure you do like this video and subscribe to my channel. I am doing a huge giveaway of gift cards for all of the consoles and platforms, so make sure you like and subscribe to enter. So let's get into the tutorial and show you how to get these Apex codes. What you need to do is use your mobile phone to obtain your code, and then you can redeem it on whatever platform. So use your mobile internet and go to www.crashcoupons.com. So I'm just going to type it exactly like this. And apologies if you hear me sniffling and coughing in the background, guys. I'm currently sick, but I needed to get a new video update out for you guys. So you need to use the search bar and search for the Apex Legends codes page. On this page, there are a few different codes. As I mentioned, guys, these are really popular as well. But as I mentioned, you can get 10,000 free coins in Apex. You can get a random selection of packs, and you can unlock all heirlooms and skins. So I'm going to select the Apex coins code here. This is going to get you 10,000 coins, which is pretty expensive. Now, I've already done this, so it does limit one code per user. So it's going to show you your code is hidden. It says locked, and it says your code is ready and will be revealed in the box below after verification. Now, these are limited codes. There's 400 remaining, but you can only do this once. So what you're going to want to do is click on get full code, and it's going to bring you to this page here called the code unlocker. And you need to complete 2 of the free offers below to get your code from Crash Coupons and follow the instructions. So on this page, you're going to have a list of tasks that are completely free, guys, and these are basically downloading and playing mobile games, answering surveys, and installing apps. Just make sure you read the description, because that tells you what to do. So select and complete 2 of them, and it will send you back to Crash Coupons, and your Apex Legends code for free coins will be revealed, and it will be unlocked, and you can redeem it. And that is going to get you 10,000 free Apex coins. But yeah, they have other things such as packs as well. Go to Crash Coupons. Any questions, let me know. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.